Most people live paycheck to paycheck not because they don't earn enough, but because they don't know how to convert a paycheck into equity. Equity is what builds wealth. Ownership in stocks, real estate, index funds, and businesses. Paychecks pay bills. Equity creates freedom. And here's the real kicker. You don't need to be a Wall Street analyst, a Silicon Valley founder, or a millionaire to start. You need discipline, a clear plan, and the ability to stop confusing income with wealth. So in this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step strategies to transform every paycheck into something bigger, equity that grows, multiplies, and eventually sets you free. You'll see how employees around the world, no matter their starting salary, quietly stack assets while others stay stuck in the rat race. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Treat your paycheck like capital, not just cash. Most people see their paycheck as money to spend. Rent, groceries, Netflix, a night out. It's gone before you even realize it. But the mindset shift is this. Your paycheck is capital. Capital is fuel. Every dollar is a soldier you can send out to work for you. When you treat your paycheck as capital, you stop asking, "What can I buy this month?" and start asking, "What asset can I own this month?" The trap is, people believe you need thousands to start. Wrong. Apps and online brokerage accounts let you invest with as little as 5 or 10 TAs. One of the biggest myths about equity is that it's only for the rich. The truth is, becoming rich often starts with equity. So next paycheck, before rent, before dinner, before anything else, take 10% and send it into assets. Treat it like a business reinvesting profits, because you are the business. Number 2, stop collecting stuff, start collecting shares. There's a reason why most people feel broke even with decent salaries. They confuse ownership of things with ownership of assets. Clothes, phones, cars, all depreciating liabilities. The new iPhone might give you a dopamine hit for a month, but shares in Apple stock give you equity for life. Here's a simple mental trick. Every time you feel the urge to buy a luxury or gadget, ask yourself, what if I bought the company instead? Spend $1,000 on designer sneakers, and in 3 years those sneakers are worn out. Invest $1,000 into Nike stock instead, and in 3 years that money could be $1,300 to $1,400, not counting dividends. One fades, the other compounds. Equity is invisible flex. No one sees your growing index fund or your rental property, but they will see when you no longer need to clock in every Monday. Ownership is the silent status symbol. So swap the mindset. Don't collect things. Collect shares, dividend stocks, index funds, rental properties, and digital assets that put money back into your pocket. That's how smart employees flip the script. Number 3, build a dividend snowball. Passive income sounds like a dream, right? But it's real, and it starts with dividends. When you buy dividend stocks or a dividend-paying ETF, you're not just waiting for the price to go up. You're getting paid just for owning them. The key is to reinvest those dividends. This is called dividend reinvestment plan. Instead of cashing out the small payments, you buy more shares. That's how a snowball forms. It starts small, but as it rolls, it gathers momentum until one day, the snowball is massive and unstoppable. Your goal is to let your dividend snowball grow quietly in the background until one day it covers your car payment, your mortgage, or even your entire lifestyle. That's the magic of equity. It starts invisible and becomes undeniable. Number 4, use company benefits like an investor, not an employee. Here's a secret. Your job is more than a paycheck. Many companies offer stock options, 401k matches, or employee stock purchase plans, ESPPAs. Most employees ignore these benefits, but smart employees see them as free money and equity growth. If your employer matches 401k contributions up to 5% and you earn $60,000 a year, that's $3,000 of free equity every single year. Over 20 years with market growth, that's potentially over $150,000 just for checking a box on HR paperwork. Same with ESPPA. Buying company stock at a discount is a wealth hack. If you can purchase shares 15% cheaper than market value, you're instantly making a 15% return. No stock market analysis required. If you don't take advantage, you're leaving thousands on the table while grinding extra hours to make the same money. Number 5, diversify like a hedge fund, not like a gambler. Diversification is your insurance policy. If one market dips, others hold steady. Imagine having $50,000 spread across the S&P 500 index fund, $10,000 in dividend stocks, $20,000 in a rental property, and $5,000 in bonds. That's a portfolio built to handle storms. Compare that to someone with $80,000 in just one tech stock. If that stock crashes 40%, half their wealth evaporates overnight. Too many employees put all their eggs in one basket, usually cash or one hot stock tip from a friend. That's gambling, not investing. Smart employees diversify. They spread money across index funds, bonds, rental properties, REITs, and even side business equity. Number 6, turn side hustle income into equity, not lifestyle. Here's where most people go wrong. They start a side hustle, make a few hundred extra each month, and immediately upgrade their lifestyle. New car, better dinners, fancier vacations. Smart employees don't do that. They treat side hustle income as pure investment fuel. The danger of lifestyle creep is real. You convince yourself you deserve to spend more because you're working harder. But wealth comes from resisting that temptation and redirecting those extra dollars into assets. Let your equity buy the lifestyle upgrades later, not your paycheck. Number 7, think in decades, not paychecks. This is the mindset shift most people miss. We live in a world addicted to quick wins, daily stock trading, crypto hype, flashy TikTok millionaires. But real wealth doesn't work in 24 hours. It works in decades. A $500 monthly investment might feel small now, but stretched over 30 years, with compounding, it can surpass $500,000. That's how people retire comfortably without ever earning 7 figures in salary. They just played the long game while others chase shortcuts. The discipline is boring, and that's exactly why it works. The market rewards patience. Equity builds wealth slowly, then suddenly. The secret isn't finding the next hot stock. It's staying consistent through bear markets, bull markets, and everything in between. The smart employee isn't thinking, how can I double my paycheck next month? They're thinking, how can I double my portfolio over the next decade? That shift changes everything. Number 8, use debt the way investors do, not the way consumers do. Most employees fear debt because they've only seen it used the wrong way. Credit cards maxed out for vacations, car loans that drain paychecks, or personal loans that fund short-term wants. That's consumer debt, and it's a trap. Smart employees flip the script. They use leverage to build assets, not liabilities. Think about real estate. If you buy a $200,000 rental property with $40,000 down and finance the rest, you now own an asset worth 5 times your initial capital. The tenant's rent covers the mortgage, and over time the property appreciates in value. That's debt used like an investor, an accelerator for wealth. The key here is discipline. Debt is like fire. It can cook your food or burn down your house. If you use it for consumption, it destroys your wealth. If you use it for assets, it multiplies your wealth. Before you take on any loan, ask, will this debt create income or equity? If the answer is no, walk away. That single question can save you decades of regret. Here is a bonus for you. Knowledge compounds the same way money does. Every new skill, whether it's financial analysis, coding, project management, or even learning how to evaluate rental properties, gives you leverage. It increases your earning power and your ability to spot opportunities others miss. And here's the kicker. The best part of skill equity is that no one can take it from you. The market can crash, companies can fold, currencies can lose value, but your ability to generate income through specialized knowledge is permanent equity. From paycheck to equity, it's not a slogan, it's a system. Treat every paycheck like capital. No one builds freedom overnight, but if you stick to these steps, one day your portfolio will be working harder than you ever did. And that's the day you realize you didn't just earn a paycheck. You built equity. You built freedom. Now, if you want to know why simplicity is the ultimate wealth strategy, then watch this video. I'll see you there.